Craving restaurant-style food but don't want to step out? Today we will show you how to make 3 delicious Dhaba-style dishes at home full of flavor, rich gravies and that perfect restaurant touch. Let's get started. We'll first start with Dhaba-style chicken recipe. So start by marinating the chicken. In a bowl, take 1 kg chicken, add salt, curd, red chili powder, turmeric, coriander powder and cumin powder. Mix everything really well and let it rest for at least 1 hour. Now heat ghee in a kadhai, add slit green chilies and chopped onions. Saute till the onions turn beautifully golden brown. Next, add chopped tomatoes along with salt, red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala and chicken masala. Mix it well and let this cook covered for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, open the lid and give it a good mix. If the masala looks dry, add a little water and let it cook till it becomes rich and slightly thick. Finish with freshly chopped coriander. Now add the marinated chicken into this masala. Cook it on medium flame till the chicken is tender and fully cooked. Finally, garnish with fresh coriander and a pinch of garam masala for that authentic dhaba aroma. Serve hot with roti or rice just like your favorite highway dhaba. Now let's move to a rich and creamy restaurant classic Paneer Lababdar. Start by preparing the masala base. Heat oil in a kadhai and saute whole spices for a couple of minutes. Now add onion, ginger, garlic and chilies with a little salt. Cook till the onions turn slightly brown. Now add tomatoes, a splash of water, cashew nuts and Kashmiri chilies. Cook till the tomatoes soften completely. Now add tomato puree and melon seeds. Cook for another 5 minutes, then switch off the flame. Let this mixture cool down and then blend it into a smooth puree. In another pan, heat butter and saute some ginger. Add the prepared masala along with a little water and mix well. Now add garam masala and cream for that rich texture. Once combined, add paneer cubes. Mix gently and cook for 3 to 4 minutes so the paneer absorbs all the flavors. Now garnish with fresh coriander, grated paneer and a drizzle of cream. Your restaurant-style Paneer Lababdar is ready to impress. And now a unique and royal dish, Paneer Patiyala. First, let's make the filling. Heat oil in a pan, add ginger and garlic and saute for a couple of minutes. Now add chopped onions and cook till translucent. Add green chilies, salt, coriander powder, turmeric and garam masala. Add tomatoes and cook till the mixture comes together. Then add grated paneer and mix well. Finish with coriander and let this mixture cool. Now for the papad rolls. Take a papad and apply water on both sides to soften it. Place the stuffing, fold the sides and roll it tightly, sealing the edges with water. Now shallow fry these rolls till golden and crispy. Remove and cut into halves. For the gravy, heat oil and butter in a kadhai. Add ginger garlic paste and cook till the raw smell disappears. Now add onion paste and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Then add green chilies, salt, coriander powder, turmeric and garam masala. Add tomato puree and cook for a few minutes. Pour in some water, bring it to a boil and simmer for 5 minutes on low flame. Now finish with kasuri methi and fresh cream for that rich restaurant style touch. Now place the crispy paneer rolls into the gravy and serve hot. This dish is indulgent, unique and absolutely worth the effort. So next time you're craving restaurant food, you know exactly what to make at home, right? So do try these recipes and let us know how it turns out. And for more such easy recipes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.